Smile greetings. You are watching my channel Learn Sujok for free, and I am Teja Lopal. Friends, this is the third course with 6 videos in the process of learning Sujok. In this course, you will learn in detail about 2 main tools of Sujok healing, seeds and magnets. In order to actually gain from this course, you must watch my videos in the order that they are given chronologically, and also watch each video till the end. If you like my videos, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon next to it.
Smile welcome to all of you. I hope you all are practicing the correspondence system and have experienced the results of seed therapy. Once we have found the exact point for treatment, then we can apply seeds or magnets. Magnets also give very good results, the precondition being that they should be applied correctly. Researchers have shown that a mild magnetic field can cause the smallest blood vessels in the body to dilate or constrict, thus increasing the blood flow and suppressing inflammation, a critical factor in the healing process. Once you have confirmed the painful point, mark it lightly and then on that point apply the seed or magnet. When applying seed, occasionally it happens that the seed does not get applied on the exact point and there is actually no pressure on the painful point. This happens with round seeds which might roll during application and not get applied on the exact point. So always recheck after applying the seed that it is exactly on the point that has been marked as the painful point. In fact, on yang side of hand, better to use flat seeds and not round seeds. Correspondence system treatment is an excellent and wonderful treatment if you follow all the rules and keep pressing the seeds in between to enhance the treatment. After learning theoretically, it is very important that you try out these applications on your hands and on others' hands so that you understand practically how these seeds or magnets have to be applied. As far as magnets are concerned, there are different types of magnets available, which we use in our treatment. Metal stars, star magnets, viol magnets, bar magnets, ring chakra magnets, etc. I will show you these and explain as to how they differ and how they can be used in our treatments. Sometimes, like, when I'm saying that the seeds roll away, sometimes it is better to apply a magnet which affects the whole area and will also press on the painful point better than a seed. But it depends on how you use it. Now, let me just share my screen so that I can show you the magnets. Okay. Metal stars have a flat surface and can be silver or gold. The magnet has to be applied on the painful point with the help of a good quality paper tape so that the flat surface of the magnet is touching the skin. Golden color is used for tonification and silver color magnets are used for sedation. This is applicable if you have the energy level knowledge, meridian level knowledge, or the 6 key energy knowledge. And then you know in which condition tonification has to be done and in which condition sedation has to be done. But even in correspondence system application, we can apply these magnets so as to tonify or sedate. This awareness is based on the knowledge whether a symptom is acute and aggressive or whether it is chronic and there is stagnation, a very homo problem. If the symptom presented is acute and aggressive, then we should use the silver metal star so as to sedate the pain symptom. In contrast, if the symptom is very chronic and there is stagnation and it is non-expressive, then we use the golden star magnets. Now, metal stars can be with magnets or without magnets. Like this. Metal stars can be, with magnets or without magnets. The ones with magnets could have a white or yellow flat surface. The white flat surface signifies the North Pole and the yellow surface signifies the South Pole. One has to be aware as to which one has to be used for sedation and which one has to be used for tonification. We also use star magnets with a plain back. Like this. Which are basically used as seeds to energize painful points and for larger areas. Bunch magnet can be used with very good results. Then we have the viol magnets, ones. These are very easily available. Buell magnets are white on one side and yellow on the other side. When you put this magnet on the skin on the painful point, be very alert as to which side of the magnet is coming in contact with the skin. When the white side of the Buell magnet is touching the skin and you can see the yellow side on top, then that means sedation and is applied when symptoms presented are acute and aggressive. And when the yellow side of the Buell magnet is touching the skin and you can see the white side on top, then that means tonification and is applied when the symptom is very chronic and there is stagnation and is non-expressive. This Buell magnet can be used in the main correspondence system and the finger correspondence system. They come in different sizes. For example, if a person has a symptom of gas acidity, then find the painful point on the stomach, on the insect system, and sedate it with this Buell magnet. Keep the magnet till a person feels good. If symptom aggravates, then just remove the magnet. There are some definite rules of magnet application, which I will be sharing with you in the next video. Another magnet that can be used very effectively is the chakra magnet or the ring magnet. Chakra magnets are widely used for stimulation of correspondence areas and energy flow therapy. The use of these magnets considerably enhances the sure effect of interaction between a correspondence point and magnetic field. It is used to release stress and tension in specific areas of the body. This type of magnet is used for tonification, sedation, that is increasing or decreasing of energy level in the required part of the body. When this ring magnet is applied on the skin for tonification or expansion of energy, for example, in hypothyroid, the outer ring white side and the inner ring yellow side should be touching the skin. 1 minute, I'll just show that to you like this. Should be touching the skin. From the top, you will see the outer ring is yellow and the inner ring is white. And this should be applied on the area where there is stagnation or a chronic disease or weakness or low energy. When the ring magnet is applied on the skin for sedation, contraction of energy, for example, hyperthyroid, then the outer ring yellow side and the inner ring white side is touching the skin. From the top, you will see the outer ring is white and the inner ring is yellow. Then this should be applied where there is an acute expressive symptom. The round ring magnet or the chakra magnet can be applied in 4 ways. We will see from the top view. The first pic is giving sedation effect and the second picture is giving tonification effect, as I mentioned before. There is another technique to apply the round ring magnet, as shown in the third and fourth picture. We can put the outer ring and the inner ring both white for powerful tonification, or the outer ring and inner ring both yellow for powerful sedation. Application like this can be a little difficult as the north pole of a magnet repels the north pole of another magnet. And same is the case with 2 south poles. They will repel. So when you try and put both inner and outer rings of the same color, the inner magnet will pop out and not stay. So we have to fix these with the help of paper tape by arranging the magnets on the paper tape first and then fixing on the area where tonification or sedation is needed. For example, we can use this powerful, strong ring magnets with both rings white seen from top for hypothyroid or any hypo conditions. Another magnet that is very commonly used is the bar magnet. Bar magnets are the same from both sides. One half of it is yellow, which is the south pole, and the other half is white, which is the north pole. Energy flows from north pole to south pole. So when we want to increase the flow of energy, then we have to put the bar magnets in such a way that the south pole is in the direction of the energy flow. One very good use of these bar magnets is in the case of severe constipation. Now, if you see here, we need to increase the energy flow in the large intestine and give it directional treatment to encourage the bowel movement. So in main correspondence system, apply the bar magnets in such a way that the energy flows towards the rectum by pushing it. Another example of this directional treatment is in cases of respiratory problems, where we want to increase the flow of energy in lungs to improve breathing. Then we can apply these bar magnets in such a way as to increase the flow of energy in the lungs. We use these magnets on the meridians, about which you will be learning in the Meridians Awareness Blueprint course, which is included in this bundle. But they can also be used on correspondence points in some cases. The only thing to be very cautious about is that when applying magnets instead of seeds on the corresponding points, follow all the rules of magnet application. Do not leave even the Biol magnets or star magnets for a very long time on your hand. Do not leave them on overnight. Also, when you apply seeds or star magnets on the corresponding points, they should be pressed in between to get a better result. But the Biol magnet, the round ring magnet, which is the chakra magnet, or the bar magnet, they don't have to be pressed. In chronic cases, don't do magnet treatment for many days continuously. After 7 to 10 sittings, give a pause and then do again if the problem still persists. If you follow all the rules of magnet application on correspondence points, then we can get amazing results in our treatment. So the action step for you now is to learn and understand thoroughly about magnets and their application. Also, try them out for small ailments, as only by practical application of this knowledge will you be able to actually experience the miraculous results. So don't hesitate. Try. The more you try and apply this knowledge, the more adept you will become at healing yourself and others. In the next video, I will share with you the rules of magnet application that should be kept in mind when using magnets, and also the technique of how to apply the magnets. See you there.